Yeah, I was gonna say this is December 3rd, 2022. I still don't know anything about my car, at this point. And I got a gut feeling, it'll be a while, It could be quite a while, before I know anything about it. About how much it'd cost to fix it and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm really hoping that God will just be good to me and just let me move on. I've seen enough of this generation and all the things that have not come to pass. I've seen plenty of that. And yeah, I got a feeling though it could be between $2,000 to $4,000, to fix. To fix the problems I've got, on my truck. I was gonna say, what happened? The oil pan gasket went bad. And then that was leaking oil. It leaked oil down in the starter, ruined the starter, seized it up, and then it was putting a strain, on the batteries, and, ruined one of them, and the driver's side door latch is broken. And, I've been messing with that for about 9 months now. It's got that problem. Battery cables are bad. And, there's a lot going on with that. And hopefully they can at least give me some numbers on fixing that vehicle. I hope that they can, but you never know. You never know. December 3rd, 2022. That's a little bit of the sunset. Yeah, we had an insane windstorm last night. It was gusting 60 miles an hour. Blew a garbage can into my neighbor's car, and that made a big boom. My neighbor thought somebody broke in the house, and I heard several trees blow down and all kind of stuff. Don't know where they were at, but I mean, 4 to 5 hours of 40, 50 mile an hour winds gusting up 55 to 60. That was pretty crazy. This was last night.